na. Isang pito, isang chick. Alright, so, talaan na. Miss Squadron.
Nakasuko ko.
Wala ko eh. Go, go, go.
To number 20. 2 points. Number 12. Alright. That's number 26. Yes, answer for basket. Liz P.F. Pasa ilalim, big man sa number 13. Sumabay ka pa. Basket is down. Hawaii, jacket idol. Yes, answer number 28. Number 26, Adrena Pan. Number 28, basket is down. Good. Number 28, big but drop the way. Violation. Na number 26, Adrena nagpapali. Nice pass. Bola. Nagmamadali na naman ko number 28. Basket is down. Siguro kabiuna na ito na tayo mga pro-premium na tayo Master Guapo of the Night. Oh, basket is down, Marlene Squad. Last through. Oh, basket is down. Nasa ni squad, 20 segundos in o first corner. Oh, magic pass, 14 seconds.
Basta!
10 segundos.
Sorry, nakuha. Oh!
5 segundos.
Yes!
Basket is down. For Liz Squadron. For Liz Squadron. 28-31. Open Madrid. 3. Basket is down. Grabe Aljon, hinupik man na yung siupaw. Huwag na ni Unon. Naramdaman gamay earrings. Oh! Nasa number 26, Liz Squad team ball. Drive sa ilalim, nice pass. Not good, but nice follow up for number 05. Basket is down. Karsu, long distance pass, number 28.